Mastering convection cooking, adjusting temperature and time for glass baking dishes.
Hello there, home chefs. Today we'll be discussing a topic that often leaves many of us scratching our heads: how to adjust the temperature and cooking time when using a glass baking dish in a convection oven. These two factors are critical to achieving perfectly baked goods, and we're here to make sure you get it right every time.
What is a convection oven?
A convection oven is a type of oven that uses fans and exhaust systems to circulate hot air around food. This allows food to cook faster and more evenly than in a traditional oven. However, these advantages also mean that you may need to adjust your baking temperatures and times to prevent overcooking.
Why does glass bakeware require adjustments?
Unlike metal pans, glass bakeware absorbs more heat and can maintain higher temperatures even after the oven is turned off. This characteristic is beneficial in some cases, but it also means that food cooked in glass dishes can easily overcook or burn if not monitored closely.
Temperature adjustments for glass bakeware.
When using glass bakeware in a convection oven, you should typically reduce the temperature by about 25 degrees Fahrenheit from what your recipe calls for. This reduction compensates for the extra heat absorbed by the glass dish and prevents overcooking. Remember, it's always better to start low and adjust as needed.
Time adjustments for glass bakeware.
For cooking times, it can vary. Convection ovens cook faster, so start by checking your food at least 10 to 15% earlier than the original recipe suggests. For example, if a recipe calls for a 30-minute bake time, check your dish after about 25 minutes. You can then determine whether to bake for a few more minutes or remove it from the oven. Well, that wraps up our guide on adjusting temperature and cooking time when using glass bakeware in a convection oven. Remember, temperature and time adjustments can depend on many factors, including your specific oven, the type of food you're cooking, and the recipe itself. So, use these tips as a general guide, and be sure to watch your food closely to prevent overcooking. Happy baking!